there's at the bottom of the voucher under received a signature. Whose signature is that?
Ang tumanggap po ay si Cristina R. Corona.
Okay. May I request, Your Honor, that this voucher be marked as Exhibit 239.
Mark it accordingly.
Tinatawag ko ho ang pansin ninyo, Ginoong Mayor, sa paragraph 2 ng Deed of Absolute Sale. Pakikita nga kay Mayor ang Deed of Absolute Sale.
Opo.
Na nagsasaad, simultaneously with the payment of the said sum, Basa Guidotti shall voluntarily surrender to the city its owner's duplicate copy of TCT number 76220. Ano ba ang nangyari pagkabigay ng tseke kay Ginang Cristina Corona?
Ang akin pong nakita, sa kaalaman ko po, tinurn over po yung, nakita ko po yung titulo at tinanggap naman po ng aming city legal officer and at ni Secretary Sison.
Okay. May I request, Your Honor, that a Xerox copy of the title TCT number 76220 be marked as Exhibit 240.
Mark it accordingly.
If Your Honor, please, my attention has been called that a certified true copy of TCT number 76220 has already been marked as Exhibit 228-A. So I withdraw my earlier request.
All right, with my exhibit number
Number
one.
240 is withdrawn because the certified true copy of the title has already been marked as Exhibit 228-A.
Request of the defense granted.
Binigyan din ho ba kayo ng tax declaration ng Basa Enterprises through Ginang Cristina Corona?
Not personally anymore. Yung portion na yun, it was my secretary and my lawyer already handled that.
Anyway, Your Honor, may we mark the tax declaration as Exhibit 240?
Mark it accordingly.
Nabasa ko rin po ito. Dumaan sa akin.
Okay.
Ito po yung nagsasaad ng value ng lupa na aming binili.
Okay. Pagkatapos ninyong bayaran ang Basa Guidotti Enterprises, anong ginawa ninyo tungkol sa lupa?
Immediately po, tinake over na namin. At dahil nga po kapos na kami sa panahon, nabayaran na yung kabilang palengke, may salapi na kami nakalaan para puro sa pangangailangan. The first order of the day was to construct an emergency relocation market para po yung tatamaang mga vendors doon sa lumang palengke at mawawala ng hanap buhay ay mailipat namin agad. It only took us about 2 weeks to build a makeshift temporary emergency market doon sa bahagi ng property nila Mrs. Basa Corona at agad po namin dinemolish yung kanilang struktura ron. Halos simultaneous yun. While we were demolishing the structure, we were also building a temporary emergency market.
Meron ho bang tumutol sa mga nagtitinda sa paglipat ng palengke?
Marami po, pangkalahatan. There was a total refusal to transfer because they feel that they really had a right to the old public market. Naku, dami po naming dialogues na ginanap dahil sa paliwanag kami ng paliwanag, hindi natin mapipigil yan at hindi po mababago ang pangangailangan ng LRT line. At ito yung kapalaran ng Sampaloc na yung Central Station dito mailagay. Hindi rin sa labas ng Maynila at hindi rito sa bandang Santa Mesa, kundi dito sa Legarda and Bustillos, malapit sa University Belt, malapit sa commercial area ng Sampaloc. It took us a lot of effort. I remember, nag-meeting kami sa umaga, tanghali, gabi. Meanwhile, the radicalization and polarization was happening. Yung issue sa lansangan na anti-poor measure, na yung LRT project is a maraming mga bintang na useless. Samantalang yung pangangailangan nila importante. Naintindihan ko po lahat yun. Kaya we were acting with dispatch to address the legitimate reasons for the objection to the whole project.
What is the relevance of that question to the present impeachment case?
Well, I just would like to ask a follow-up question, Your Honor, to show that the City of Manila eventually took possession, physical and legal possession of the property, Your Honor.
All right.
So, pagkatapos po yun, ay lumipat din po ba itong mga tumitinda sa bagong lugar na dating lupa ng Basa Guidotti?
Nung naitayo na namin yung emergency relocation facilities, dahil kailangan ipakita po ninyo na meron silang lilipatang palengke, maski na makeshift, pero mapagtitindahan. Yun lamang ang nakakumbinsi sa kanila. At yung mga informal settlers po naman na kasali rin sa gulo, itinayo pa namin ng konting temporary shelter sa likod po naman ng property. About 16 families were given temporary shelter.
Magmula noon hanggang ngayon, meron ba kayong alam kung meron ho nag-claim dyan sa lupa na yan?
Wala na po. Definitely, the property was owned by the corporation and the transaction was respected and honored. As I understand, there was peaceful possession that we initiated and was never contested.
Okay. Sa COA naman, Commission on Audit, lalo na dun sa inyong resident COA, meron ho bang tutol?
Initially, wala po. Dumaan po naman lahat yung proseso yan sa kanilang pagsusuri. But a year after, lumabas sa report ng isang audit team coming from the central office of COA, which is normal. And according to regular practices, ino-audit po lahat ng transaksyon ng city government, LGUs. Lumabas po sa kanilang report na mayroong order for suspension for
Pinapakita ko ho sa inyo ang
that particular transaction,
meron ho
asking for documents to be submitted before they act on the contract favorably.
Pinapakita ko po sa inyo ang isang notice ng suspension na may petsang March 5, 2002 na ano ho ba ang kaugnayan nito doon sa nasabi ninyong notice of suspension?
Kaya na sinabi ko po, a year after the transaction, nagkaroon ng review ng central office at gumawa ng rekomendasyon. Yung local COA,
The Council, what's the relevance of this issue regarding the sale of the property? There was already transfer of the property to the city, payment to the seller, which is involved in this case.
I just want to complete the picture, Your Honor, and this will be my last question, Your Honor.
Yes, please,
So
sir.
that
Go
your
ahead.
honors will have the complete picture.
gusto ko lamang pong sabihin, Your Honor, Mr. President, although there was an order for suspension in 2002, every year thereafter, we have been reviewed by the central office, 2003, 2004, 2005, 6, and 7. Hindi na po lumabas yung usapin na yan. Meaning, I assume that my people were able to submit the necessary supporting papers that they were asking, that they were demanding, and that removed that particular transaction from the list of suspended transactions.
Your Honor, please. May I move to strike out that last portion for being a volunteered statement done without the benefit of a proper question?
let it remain into the record. But anyway,
Your
as
Honor,
far as
may-
this court is concerned, whatever is the problem with respect to the transaction between the seller and the buyer is of no moment here. The fact is that money was transferred to Mrs. Corona.
May I request, Your Honor, that the notice of suspension dated March 5, 2002 be marked as Exhibit 244.
Mark it accordingly.
That will be all with the witness.
All right. Before the cross-examination, suspension.
I'm sorry. 241.
Your Honor, we would just like to mark that particular document as Exhibit 11 K, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Suspension.
Mark it accordingly for the prosecution. Before the prosecution starts its cross-examination, let's have a recess for 5 minutes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan ang muna, yan ang